Let's understand how to plan and create a toy area. This do-it-yourself toy area is one of the interest areas in addition to your block building, math or discovery area. This area needs to have the loose materials, low cost, no cost materials, environment materials like cones, pines, dry leaves, seeds, feathers, bottle caps, lids, spools, paper cups and paper plates, and also various sizes of bowls, cardboard boxes, child-friendly scissors, empty jars, books, straws, eyedroppers, variety of papers, magazines, flexible waste wires and so on. This area must have age and developmentally appropriate traditional Indian toys which has easy accessibility to all the children. These must not be too small in size, keeping in mind the safety of small children. Of course, you cannot keep all the materials in one go in this toy area. So, plan to keep these in rotation, observing the children's interest and need. And do not forget to label the area as My Toy Area. Then, organize the toys and loose materials and props on the open shelves that are easily accessible by children, or you can also use some old cane baskets or in the waste carton boxes. And how can you forget to label the boxes? So, label the boxes or the shelves along with the toys or the loose materials, pictures, so that the children can easily pick up and keep them back to their storage. You may also keep some 3 to 4 small rugs for sitting where 2 to 3 children in small groups can sit and design or create on their own. This you call do-it-yourself toy area, and you need to design this DIY toy area in a very child-friendly manner. Use the walls near the toy area to hang some of their DIY toys that children have developed or prepared. Hang the children's photograph engaged in designing something, because it gives them a feeling that yes, I have done this and I am going to do this. Make sure everything in the toy area is meant for play and creating and must be developmentally appropriate. Keep certain props that children can use in their creation. Sort the loose parts according to the shapes, colors and size in labeled boxes or baskets. So, think out of the box and create a toy area. Equip it with loose materials and watch children enjoy creating and designing on their own. But stay there for support wherever required. So, start thinking about how you are going to design and plan the toy area.